สบายดีพ่อแม่พี่น้องสบายดีทุกคนทุกคนสวัสดีครับ I'm Harris Pianavong and on today's episode we're gonna be eating Sakoo Nyatsai. So in Lao they call this Sakoo Nyatsai and in Thai they call it Sakoo Sai Mu. Alright, so these are tapioca pearls with fillings. So the filling and the kit is brought to you by Lum's Kitchen. So it comes as a kit. So you have Sakoo Nyatsai fillings, then you have your tapioca pearls. So thank you so much Lum's Kitchen once again from San Diego. And all you have to do is make the tapioca pearls. So I'll be following Lum's Kitchen's tutorial on how to make this and also Christina Tia House with X Tia. So this right here is probably the most time consuming part. So this is done already. It's in a food saver bag. So all I gotta do is make this and then we're gonna eat it. So check back in. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks like. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna do like a lettuce wrap. Oh, the pepper is spicy. So good. The filling is so good. It's delicious. It's sweet, it's savory. It's just bursting with flavor. So delicious. I really don't get to eat this. My mom never made this, so I had to learn how to make this. Really delicious. Let me show you guys how it looks inside. Awesomeness. Dry pepper is so spicy. Oh my goodness. The filling is so delicious. I can't believe how fresh it is. It's a kit from Lum's Kitchen. But the flavor is bursting with flavor. You have a little bit of salty, a little bit sweet, but it's just savory. It's just jam-packed with flavors. It's chewy, it's crunchy. Alright guys, that was Sakoo Nyatsai, Sakoo Sai Mu. I only get to eat this during Lao and Thai New Year. Tedious to make, is a lot of work to make. So thank you so much for watching. I'm your host Harris Pianavong and this was Cooking with Mr. International. I'll see you guys next time. ขอบคุณครับ ขอบใจเด้อ